let's go in my example cell, go to data, data validation, add a rule, and then the criteria selection is essentially the preset. There are many different options. Some of them are a bit more complicated. They're all worth having a good look, but we do just need to use default drop-down preset. And what I want to do is create a simple 3-stage drop-down to show the stage of a project. So I want to have at least 3 possible examples from my drop-down. And so I'm going to give each of the stage a title. And then if I go on the drop-down itself, it will start populating all my changes. So you can see it's really quick to get built up. But at the moment, although we have the text, they aren't very distinguished from each other. So let's add some color coding. So I can select the color that the cell gets changed to for each potential option. So I'm going to go to red for not started, yellow for in progress, and of course green for completed. I can go back and you can see that we have some quite nice results that we can choose here. And that's pretty much done. It's worth keeping in mind there are some advanced options, particularly at the bottom here. The display style is worth keeping in mind just to make sure this fits in with the overall theme of your spreadsheet. So the default style is chip. This chip is this sort of oval shape here. But if you don't want to have this, you can have the arrow design. So it actually fills up the whole cell. So this might be quite a nice traditional display. If you don't want this arrow, you can actually just have plain text. And so you can double click and it'll give you the option, but otherwise it just looks like a normal cell. So this is more of a covert option. But as you can see, that's pretty much everything.